Pharrell Williams, again, another collaboration with Adidas, brings you the Solar Hue Glide Pack. It's kind of a mashup between what you know in the Human Race NMD and the Ultra Boost. Pretty ill. Let's see what that looks like. There we go. What's up, guys? Fresco BK here, live at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. So, once again, huge shouts out to Pharrell. If you guys have been paying attention to our unboxing videos, liking and sharing all of our videos, hopefully, you would realize that we just recently unboxed the Solar Hue NMD Human Race Pack, brought to us by Pharrell and Adidas. And the Human Races are all very popular amongst us here at Stadium Goods, but the Solar Hue Glide is a new silhouette recently released by Adidas, another collaboration between them and Pharrell, but it has more of a Ultra Boost inspiration, but we'll get into that in a second. But let's start with the box. You'll see the 3 stripes here. Features a black and yellow box throughout with the Boost. So these are a shoe that features the Adidas Boost. And please let me know what you think of each color, but we're gonna start off with the white Solar Hue Glide. So as I alluded to just a second ago, the Ultra Boost kind of inspiration. So you'll see the Ultra Boost midsole and outsole, full boost there. But let's get to this toe box area. It's perforated throughout the entire toe box with the white, and it has the hue right here, which is classic to the Human Race styles. We have the white laces with, I believe, the 3M hits. So if you guys have been paying attention to all of the Human Race styles, I believe all of them have 3M in each set of laces that they feature. So these white laces feature the gray 3M, and also in this toe area, these shoes are very colorful, even though they are predominantly white. We have the red right here on this inner panel. On the outer panel in the lace area features also another hit of red, while this hit of yellow right here. As we get to the lower, just above the midsole, we have a burgundy colorway right here. And it's a slightly darker white as we get to the back panel of the shoe and this outer panel. So you'll see the white here. You'll see like a slightly off-white there. We have the hue right there on that back tab, which is green. And if we get to the shelling, the shell overlay right here is also green. You guys can see there. Pull tab, full white, another green shell right there. The back midsole, once again, we have the Boost. Inner panels features the burgundy here. We have the green shell overlay, but we also have the red hit right here as opposed to the green hit on the outer panel. If you look inside the tongue area, you'll see a variety of different colors. So as I unboxed the NMDs, I believe that was last week or the week before, it features the same colorways in the tongue pull tab area that you guys can see right there. We're gonna switch over to the actual tongue, which features the Adidas logo, the 3 stripes, excuse me. And we're gonna transition into the right foot. And the right foot features 2 sets of laces, one being, this looks like burgundy with yellow and green right there. And then we have the green laces that feature the gray 3M with the white tips, and also of course the hang tag. And we can go into the insole, features a Boost right there. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick look at the outsole, all black for the most part. We have the Continental hit here. We have the yellow hits right there in the middle. And right there on the tip features the Adidas. So one last look at the Solar Hue Glide, the white colorway, and we're gonna transition next into the black colorway. So we're gonna transition into the second pair, which is the black. So as I mentioned in the comments, please let me know what you guys think. These are Ultra Boost inspired, as I mentioned before. We got the 3 stripes, same box top. And let me know out of the 3, we're gonna get to the third one after this, which one is your favorite, but we have the black colorway right here. So, as you guys can see, the perforation, once again, in the toe box area features the hue, but this hue is in white against the pretty much full black here. We have right there on the outer panel, from what it looks like in the light, it looks like this might be 3M. I'm not sure. Please let me know if I'm wrong, but it looks like there's a 3M underlay under this black coating right here. We have the black hit right above the midsole, outsole. Once again, features the Boost, and you guys can see the Ultra Boost inspiration in these. We have the laces, full white with the gray 3M. And then we have the red lace tips, as you guys can see right there. Let's go to the tongue area, features the white Adidas logo that we have right there. We're gonna flip this around, and the inside of the tongue is yellow, or the front pull tab or tongue, whatever you wanna relate it to or call it. So, as we get to this back panel here, features the green hue hit that you guys can see, and we have the purple overlay and shell casing, as I mentioned on the white one, which was green. Pull tab here, mesh overlay on the pull tab. Inner panel, red hit, plastic shell overlay. Gonna go to the outsole. Features the Continental once again, but we have the blue hit right here as opposed to the white one that had the yellow hit, and full boost throughout the outsole. And it comes with an additional set of laces, which is purple and looks like neon. Purple, neon, and black right here in the bag on the right foot. And I'm gonna give you one last look at the Solar Hue Glide, the black pair. We just reviewed the white pair, and last but not least, I'm gonna bring you the multicolor. And the last of the Solar Hue Glide Pack is the multicolor. So this is pretty much the favorite out of the majority of people that have seen these shoes here at Stadium Goods, but we have them. So once again, same box as I showed you on the first two. And please let me know what you guys think. This multi is actually not too bad. And another take on Pharrell and Adidas, and they bring to you the Solar Hue in the multi-colorway. So we have the orange hit right there in the toe box area with the perforation. The hue, once again. But this one, these laces are pretty cool. They have like a black and white print. As we transition to the outer panel here, we have the yellow hit. Believe that this is also 3M. If I'm looking at this correctly, it looks like 3M in the light, but please let me know in the comments. On the lace area, features the black hit here. We have the blue hit right there. Inner panel, same black hit. Tongue area has the red with the white Adidas logo. Back to this outer panel, black overlay right above the Boost midsole outsole. Red hue hit on the back tab there. We have the green, once again, the green overlay. Purple pull tab. So as I mentioned, this is multicolor, so you'll find a variety of colors within this shoe. Purple pull tab. In the panel again, we've got the red hit, and we have the green shell overlay. So we're gonna get to the outsole here. Features the full black. Once again, the Continental hit there. And much like the white pair that I showed you guys before, features the yellow hit right there in the middle. So here we go, one last look at the Solar Hue Glide from the full pack, Ultra Boost inspired. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments. So we have all three colors of the Solar Hue Glide Pack, brought to you by Pharrell Williams. Shout out to Pharrell and Adidas, of course. So we have the black colorway here, we have the multi in the middle, and we have the white colorway to my right. So out of the three, please let me know which one is your favorite. I'm kind of leaning towards this one, then I'd probably go white and then black, but let me know your order and what you think in the comments of all three. We have them available along with much more here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up anytime between 12 and 8. Please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Thank you guys once again for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube. Make sure you guys follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. And if you have any questions in regards to Stadium Goods, please visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salud.